You won't believe there are AI tools that can outperform ChatGPT. With this tool, you can even use the Seedance 2 video generation model. In this video, I'm going to show you a cool tool that can generate images, videos using Seedance 2 and more. That tool is called Dola AI.
Okay, before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on other interesting information from Tekno Genius. Okay, first, let's open Dola AI. You can log in with your Gmail account. Before we test creating images and videos, let's check out Dola AI Day. Okay, in the AI creation menu, we see lots of ready-made templates you can try. Next, there's also a bot menu. These bots can be very useful if you need an assistant. Okay, let's take a look at the chat box. There's writing, creating images, and more. First, let's say hello to Dola AI. Okay, now let's get straight to creating images and videos. Let's try creating an image first. As for the prompt, you can see here I'm going to test creating a perfume product image. Let's wait for the results. Okay, here are the results, friends. 4 images in one go. The results are so good and realistic, perfect for those of you who want to create product affiliate content. Now let's test generating a video. We'll change from create image to create video. Then click add to reference on the image you selected. We'll see the model has Seedance 2 and Seedance 1. We'll leave it at Seedance 2, then you can set the duration and ratio. Next, we just enter the prompt, then generate and wait for the results. Okay, let's see. Our video will be ready in about 5 minutes. We can also find out the points for generating. Here are 5 more points left to generate the video. Of course, this is enough to make up to 5 videos. And here are the results, friends. The video was successfully generated, but due to an error in my input prompt, the result looks like this. The products should have been shot one by one, not all moving at once. Next, we'll try making another different video. This time, I'll test creating a realistic character video. Let's create a character reference image first. Okay, we've got the character reference. Let's just repeat the previous step and enter the prompt. See, our remaining points have decreased to 4 from 5. This means that for each generation, we deduct 1 point per video. And here are the results.
So that's it for our video on Dola AI. If you have any questions about Dola AI, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.